Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I'll show you how to embed this time picker form input field inside your React.js application. So whenever you select this input field to pick time here, this nice little clock will show, and it will show you live preview of whichever time that you select right here. The hour, the clock key, it will actually show you everything right here. So it will show you the selected time here. It supports all the time formats, 24-hour, 12 hours. So simply if you click it, this will show this nice little clock with live preview. And here you can adjust your time here. Simply select whichever. So it will adjust accordingly and you will see selected time. So this is actually is React.js third-party module that you need to install here, which is React Time Picker. So this is actually the name of the module that I'm talking about here, and it's very simple. The command. So you simply install this. It's having almost 144,000 weekly downloads. A very popular module. And now to get started here, we have a simple React.js project here. I create a simple functional component and then we need to import this. So we simply use the import statement and just say import time picker from React time picker. So we simply use the import statement and actually import this module. After that, we also need to import the CSS file of this modules, which will be located inside React time picker slash dist slash time picker CSS. And also we need to import the clock as well, which will be located inside React clock slash dist clock.css. So that clock that you see, we also need to import that. So React clock. So after we import this, this React clock will be located in a different package. I think you also need to install this. This package is React clock. So also install this package as well, which shows you the analog clock here inside your React.js application. You also need to install this module as well, almost 150,000 weekly downloads. So after we install this, now we will just create a simple variable value and on change. And for this we'll be using the useState hook. And initial value you can put any time here. I'm using 24-hour format, so this will be 14:230 time. And here wherever you need to display the clock here, the time picker field, so you just give it a padding first of all of 20 pixel, and then where you can actually put a heading which will select time 24-hour format, and then you simply use this module time picker. And this actually takes some options that we need to pass here. First option is your on change event handle. So whenever you change the time, this custom function will execute. So here we need to define this function, which is on change inside your JavaScript. So whenever you choose any time, this function will execute on change. So after this, we will be also be attaching the value which we define, which is the current time here. This one, we are attaching this. So we don't need to define this on change because we already defined this. If you see on change, so we are just attaching this, and it also takes an option here format. So what format here? Hour, minute, if you also want to attach second here, you would also say SS. So hour, minute, second, this is your time format. And if you want to disable clock, you can put either true or false. I need to show the clock, so I will say false. So that's all, that all these options are there. And after that, we can actually display whatever time the user will select. So selected time will be located inside this variable, which is value. So if you refresh your application, you will actually see this input field appearing. This is your time period. If you just click it, then now it will show you this is your minute clock, and if you adjust it, you will see it will adjust. This is your second. Let's suppose I've set to 30, or we can change to 50, and this is your hour clock here. So as you adjust the time here, it will return you the time here, which is 5:15. In this easy way, you can see, you can adjust your time here. So this is actually the module, guys. If you want to integrate, if you are taking time input, you can definitely use this module, which is React time picker, and which actually shows you with this nice little clock as well. As you click, all the source code is given in the description of this video. You can refer to my blog post. And thank you very much for watching this video, and also check out my website freemediatools.com, which contains thousands of tools regarding audio, video and image.